Have you ever dreamed of building your own secret fortress deep in the wild? No nails, no modern brackets. Everything is held together using traditional joints and wooden pegs. This level of craftsmanship is just mind-blowing. To keep the floor warm, he lays down a layer of dry grass under a heavy burlap sheet. Talk about a cozy natural insulator. Cuts every single plank by hand to build these solid walls. And just look at how satisfying that custom drop-down window is. The best part? The roof. He covers it with a thick layer of soil and plants fresh grass right on top. Natural insulation and perfect camouflage all in one. After a hard day's work, it's time for the ultimate reward: fresh mountain crabs grilled to perfection over an open fire. As night falls, the tiny treehouse lights up, cozy and warm. Would you trade the chaotic city life for a peaceful retreat like this? Let me know in the comments.